I tried Mercury Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the Mercury Wallet app, I was intrigued. It claims to bring privacy back to Bitcoin without using traditional mixers or sidechains. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Mercury might be one of the most innovative Bitcoin privacy solutions you've never heard of. On day 1, setup was easy. No sign-ups, no personal data. Mercury Wallet runs on your device, giving you full control of your Bitcoin keys. But here's the twist: instead of regular on-chain transactions, it uses something called stat chains. By day 2, I realized what that means. With stat chains, you can transfer Bitcoin ownership off-chain without broadcasting every move to the blockchain. That means faster, cheaper, and far more private transactions. By day 4, I tested sending bits between wallets. The process was instant, with zero network fees and no visible transaction trail on-chain. Most people think Bitcoin is private, but it's actually transparent. Mercury fixes that problem elegantly. By day 6, I explored its swapping feature, where users can exchange stat chains to further increase privacy. It felt like using Bitcoin, but with stealth mode enabled. No one could link my old and new addresses. After 7 days, the shocking truth hit me: Mercury Wallet is quietly rewriting Bitcoin privacy. It's not just about hiding transactions, it's about making Bitcoin faster and more scalable without breaking its rules. Sure, it's still early and not as beginner-friendly as mainstream wallets, but for anyone serious about privacy and control, Mercury is a game changer. It's the kind of innovation that could make Bitcoin truly private again.